Hello everyone, my name is Soumya. Currently, I'm pursuing my B.Ed first year. Today, I'm giving my presentation of Class 7 of State Board. Subject is Social Studies of Lesson 16, Making Laws in State Assembly. So, here we are going to learn about law, legislature, and legislative assembly. And there is a beautiful activity at the end. Okay, so before going into the lesson, have you heard the word ruling? Yes, ruling means taking decisions behalf of others. Okay, so in state we have heard the word ruling, right? So in the state, what is the meaning of ruling? Means it will manage the public affairs. It is done to manage the public affairs, right? So in past, who ruled us? Kings used to rule us. And after kings, who came into the power? Britishers, right? So now there are no kings and no Britishers. So who are ruling us? Our country is now democratic country, right? So who are ruling us? Yes, we have elected some persons. They will rule us. Okay, who are those people? Yes, MPs, ministers, CMs, MLAs. So we have discussed that we will elect some people by voting system, and those people are ministers, MPs, MLAs. So here there will be a common point, right? So what these people will follow for ruling? Yes, they'll follow some rules and regulations. Yes, absolutely correct. So these rules and regulations are called as law. Okay, so these people will follow law for ruling. So where these laws are made? In the assembly and parliament. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the topic making laws in state assembly. Okay, so here there are two pictures. One is in the right side, it is the Telangana State Assembly. Okay, in the left side, we are seeing a gavel, a justice scale with a book. Okay, what these pictures are stating? Law in state assembly. Okay, so before going into the lesson, so coming into the lesson, what is law? Law means rules, right? Yes, these rules are created by government. So bunch of rules which are created by the government, and according before this law, everyone are equal. No one is high, no one is low. This law is equal to everyone. Okay, this law is made in the legislative assembly as we discussed in the previous. Okay, according to some procedures mentioned in the Constitution of India, these are made. Okay, so now let us learn making laws in state legislature. So what is meant by legislature? Legislature means, yes, it is a Constitution of India which provide, yes, which provided legislature for every state. So every state will be a consisting one legislature. In that there will be one governor and one or two houses. So what is meant by legislature means, actually means so it is a group of people who are having the power. So in this assembly, who are having the power? MLAs. So this group is called as legislature. Okay, so let us know how many types of legislatures are there. There are two types of legislature. One is bicameral and another one is unicameral. Bicameral means two houses. Unicameral means one house. Okay. So, what are these houses? Do we stay in that? No. These houses are, one is lower house and one is another one is upper house. Lower house is also called as legislative assembly. Upper house is called as legislative council. So, legislative assembly members are elected by the voting system. These people are referred as MLAs. Okay. Legislative council are the chamber of the nation. Means these are supervisors, superior to the MLAs. Okay. These are referred as the MLCs, member of legislative council. Okay. So what is meant by legislative assembly? So assembly means it is an institution or a body where the law is made, changed, created, etc. etc. Means the law which is made is done everything to it in assembly, and the assembly is responsible for the law. Okay, it is an important body to make law, and it is responsible for implementing and formulating policies for welfare of state. So how this assembly is composed? Who will be there in this assembly? Member of legislative assembly, MLAs will be there in this, and the period of these people are 5 years. Okay, when they'll meet, they have to meet twice in a year at least, and not more than 6 months. Okay, so here there is a picture of the assembly. So the assembly overview will be look like this. Okay, in detail we will learn in the previous next classes. Okay, so as I said, there is an activity for you. So here there is a there is a bill of banning on public smoking passed. Okay, so I'm reading this. The Andhra Pradesh State Legislative Assembly on Wednesday passed a bill providing for prohibition of smoking in places of public work or public use and in public service vehicles. It also provides for conviction and levying of fines ranging from 100 to 1000 rupees on those who contravene the provisions. Some of the concerns expressed by the opposition members include implementation of ban on sale of cigarettes within 100 meters of education institutions, sale to those below 18 years, and prohibition of advertisement of cigarettes. Others spoke of the effect it would have on the livelihood of tobacco farmers and pawn shop owners. The minister allayed their apprehensions. The minister said that a legislation was necessary in view of the harmful effects of smoking on the health of people and in pursuance of the Supreme Court direction given on November 2nd, 2001. Those contravening sections 5, 6, and 10 relating to ban on smoking in public places and public service vehicles and display of no smoking board would be punishable with a fine which may extend rupees 100, and for second or subsequent offence with a fine of 200 rupees which may extend to 500 rupees. So it is a article of Hindu which is printed on 27th second. Okay, so here there are some of the questions relating to this passage. So as we read now, so mainly these articles are read by the adults, parents, right? So so they can understand the meanings. So children can't understand, you people can't understand, right? So let us know the meanings of these, some of the words here. So the first word is conviction. Conviction means the judgment. Okay. Elate. Elate means reduce. Apprehension. Apprehension means fear. Pursuance. Pursuance means execution. Contravening. Contravening means violate or break. Implementation. Implementation means execution. Okay, these are some of the words which are very difficult for you people in this article. So, next in this content, there are some matter, right? Okay, related to this sentence, there are some fill in the following. So, we'll fill this following fill ups. Okay, first one, a dash was passed to prohibit smoking in public places. A bill is passed. A bill was passed to prohibit smoking in public places. Okay, prohibition of smoking does not include dash. It does not include, see here, public use, public service vehicles. Okay, the answer is public vehicles. Okay, coming to third one, legislation was in order to dash the directions from the Supreme Court. It is to follow the directions. Okay, and next one, the bill was passed in the, where it passed, in the assembly. Okay, so that does the newspaper article suggest that everyone had the same opinion about the bill? No. Yes, but some of opposition people uh, raised the topic that the people who whose livelihood is dependent on this tobacco, they should also get the justice. So the decision should be, yes, the decision should be really means they suitable for them also. Okay, what are the provisions for punishment mentioned in the newspaper? Means what was the fine? Rupees 100 to 1000 rupees, right? So here 100 to 1000 rupees. Okay, so we have completed this activity. So now what we have learned today about is about the law, legislative assembly, legislature, yes, legislature, its types, and with a beautiful activity of an article of a newspaper. Okay, so we have learned this, right? So there are some questions which I want to ask you. So do we have any kings or warriors now? No, we don't have any kings or warriors. So how we rule ourselves? We rule by electing some people through voting system. What is law? It's a bunch of rules which are created by the government. So who makes law? The assembly will make law. How it is made? According to the procedures of Constitution of India. So what is legislature? It is a group of powerful people. What is legislative assembly? It is an institution or a body which is responsible for creating and formulating the law. Okay, yes. So now there is a beautiful home assignment. Go to home and collect some articles regarding different bills which were passed in the assembly. Okay, as we done the activity, you people know how the articles are presented in the newspaper, right? It was the Hindu paper article. So collect some articles. Okay, this is the beautiful home assignment for you. So now the class is in. Next remaining we will be discussing in next class. Thank you.